Hello, my name is Carlos Urban, and today I'm going to show you how to use Copilot, which is the generative AI for Microsoft. This is basically very similar to ChatGPT. I'm going to do a different video for ChatGPT and then compare the two. So first of all, what I want you to do is open Edge as opposed to your Chrome browser. The reason why I want you to open Edge is because you see this symbol here on the top right? You click it and automatically it has Copilot. So again, we're going to use the chat version, and you have creative, more balanced, and precise. I'm going to use the precise for this particular video. So let's say I own a little restaurant, right? Let's find a little restaurant, okay, Mexican restaurant near me. And well, you have Yelp reviews. So I'm going to use the Yelp reviews. Let's see where these are the 10 best restaurants. I want that has, um, that has a little bit of not just positives, but it has many different ones. But let's see what happens here. Okay, so let's just take any. This one has 154 reviews. So this is typical small business and 154 reviews. So what we're interested is the reviews. So we're gonna go to the reviews. Now Yelp already gives you, kind of like the different categories. Okay, so I want to make sure that it has all the ratings. And what I want to do is I want it to give me, organize it by positive, negative, neutral, and into different categories. So I'm going to write here, okay, do a sentiment. Oh, by the way, here you need to put for this page. Okay, do a sentiment analysis. Put the reviews into 5 categories. And those 5 categories are food, okay, and ambience, location, price, and service. So let's try this first and see what it does. So I'm going to click submit. Okay, so you have to give it about a minute. Okay, so now it's starting to respond. So I had to put it on pause because it was taking a little bit. Okay, food positive, good quality Mexican quesadillas, ambience, good, but it's giving me the positive and the negative. I think neutral is a little bit more difficult to, uh, would you like more details on a specific category? Um, oh, it's interesting. This is like advertising. It's recommending me to use brand watch. Yes, I want more comments on the food. Interesting how it automatically put ambience. No, on food. Okay, so here it's giving me positive menu reviews, praise authentic Mexican flavors, mixed reviews. Oh, so this is, I like this, mixed reviews and negative stale chips. So this is very, very good. So I'm gonna ask, provide the analysis for tacos, for tacos. Okay, so provide analysis for tacos. Sometimes it takes a little while, so I'm just going to pause it a second. Okay, so here is the information that it's giving me. Based on authentic, okay, there's a sentiment for tacos. Interesting. I think it got confused because the restaurant, okay, how is the restaurant decorated? What is it? Tell me more about the ambience. Okay, tell me more about the quesadillas. I'm going to put it as a question mark. So now it was really quick. I think my prompt was very vague. Quesadillas are quite popular among reviewers. Taste, many reviews appreciate flavor, variety, presentation. Okay, so now we're gonna try something different. So what I want to do is I want to go now to the social media. Oh, what was the name of this restaurant? Authentica Taqueria. Okay, so let's see. Does this thing have the? Let's see. Oh, interesting. I thought. Okay, location. Okay, so I clicked here. I finally found the website, and I'm gonna go now to their Instagram. Okay, so I'm gonna click here, Instagram. So let's see how it does. Okay, so we wanted to do, let's just for now do sentiment analysis into 3 categories. Positive, mixed, and negative comments. Okay, so from Instagram. Interesting. So I don't know if these are the ones from Instagram. Let's see. Okay, so what I noticed is I had for Instagram, which is interesting because it may be all of Instagram about this particular place, but the one you need to use is the one that says this page. I also put the percentages. Let's see if it does that. Okay, so it's giving me now the answer. It took, good thing I put it on pause. Okay, it gave me, this is interesting, 70% are positive, delicious food, friendly service, authentic atmosphere, 20% inconsistent service, negative, high prices, issues with the food quality. Tell me more about the issues with the food quality. This should be quicker. If not, I'll have to put it in pause again. Okay, so it's coming back. I found some information and okay. Few points. Health infections, customer reviews mention consistent food quality, complaints about certain dishes. could you tell me which dishes have complaints Okay, so here we go. I received complaints on the chicken burrito, chicken quesadilla, enchiladas. There are comments about the sauce being too spicy, noted that it was a bit dry. Okay, so we have hit the 10-minute mark. There's going to be a series of videos about sentiment analysis using AI. We're going to have one with ChatGPT. We're going to also try Copilot versus others on user-generated content. So that what I mean by user-generated content is not only those reviews or comments that are left on the site, but also that are talked about in general. So just to give you an example, there is many posts on Chipotle on TikTok, but they are not on Chipotle's website. On Chipotle's site. They're all over TikTok, and those are obviously very important. We also try some bigger brands to see the type of thing. Again, the purpose of this video was to show you the basics on how to get started doing some sentiment analysis, especially for small businesses. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a good day.